Eltham High are the first to punch their semi-final ticket in this year's ISSA Manning Cup, following their 2-0 win over Vauxhall High, the Prison Oval, in match 2 of the quarter-final round on Tuesday. It took 14 minutes for Eltham to break the deadlock, Romeo Reed getting the job done for a 1-0 lead. As Vauxhall High fought for the equalizer, Chadwick McLeod saw his day end early as he was red-carded with 10 minutes to go in the match. Eltham let the man advantage count as they made it 2-0 through Santana Headley with 5 minutes to play. The win put Eltham on 6 points, and with a game to go, they cannot be caught by any two teams from the group.
Yes, it's always a rough game, when we play Vauxhall over the years, and we were expecting this kind of game from them, but mentally the boys stay focused, they listen to instructions, and kudos to them.
And former champions Jamaica College are on the edge of a semi-final berth following their 4-0 win over Charlie Smith at the Stadium East Field. Jamona Lyle and Jabari Howell had a double each for JC's victory. JC are now on 6 points, a point away from reaching the last 4. JC could even book their place if Excelsior beat Hydel on Wednesday. Calabar's chances also came to an end as they were beaten 4-1 by St. Andrew Technical. Marvin Henry scored twice for Stats. And favourites Glenmuir High are on the verge of a semi-final berth in the ISSA DaCosta Cup after putting last season's beaten finalists McGrath High on the edge of elimination in a 4-0 victory at Glenmuir on Tuesday. Favourites Glenmuir High are on the verge of a semi-final berth in the ISSA DaCosta Cup after putting last season's beaten finalists McGrath High on the edge of elimination in a 4-0 victory at Glenmuir on Tuesday. McGrath, who lost their opening game on Saturday, fell behind in the 5th minute when Earl Miller put Glenmuir in front. It got worse for McGrath when Conroy nicely gave Glenmuir a 2-0 cushion in the 33rd minute. Miller returned to make it 3-0 in the 50th minute before Orion Watson ended the rout 7 minutes from time.
It was a very mature performance from us. Lovely attitude from the boys. Love the desire, love the intent. And it manifested in the game where McGrath, pretty stubborn team, but we found ways to break them down, and I must credit to the team because that level of consistency and intensity, it really pays off, and it's really good for them.
Glenmuir are on 6 points, and victory for Cornwall College over Kempsey on Wednesday could wrap up the group. In other games on Wednesday, Christiana High play St. Elizabeth Technical at Manchester High, and Dintil High are at home to Clarendon College. All games start at 3 p.m.